I just self-published my first novel on Amazon KDP. Here's the honest experience. Free to publish. Amazon takes 30 to 65% royalty, depending on format. Review process takes 24 to 72 hours. Mine went live today. Kindle ebook plus paperback available simultaneously. The Unmade, Chronicles of the Sundered Realm. Dark epic fantasy. Kindle $4.99, paperback $14.99 on Amazon now. Follow for updates. Book 2 is already in planning. Get The Unmade https://www.amazon.com/s?K =$unmade+m.f. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.